Meet Mitutoyo's Surftest SJ-220, a portable surface roughness tester you can use anywhere. On the workbench, its compact design and big display make one-touch measurement simple. Attach the optional U-WAVE-TIB to connect via Bluetooth, so you can start measurements and see results right from the SJ app on your phone or tablet. Prefer to use a computer? Connect by USB or wirelessly to the SJ communication tool for full bidirectional control and easy reporting. Create and print inspection reports, add QR codes for fast traceability, and export to CSV and PDF. The SJ-220 is portable, connected, and ready anywhere. Measure on the table, review on your phone, and report from your PC. For more information, please visit Mitutoyo.com.